Greetings of the day. Today I, Gurpreet Kaur, again welcome you all to SRBPS online classes. Now let's start with our computer subject. Today we are going to learn about the input and output devices. I again repeat, input and output devices. Now, today our main topic is input devices. First, we will learn about the input devices, then we will learn about the output devices. Now, the question is, what are input devices? What are input devices? So, answer is the devices that are used to give data or information to the computer as input are called input devices. Basically, these are those devices that are used to give input to the computer. Here in this figure, you all are watching that with these devices, some information is going to the computer. So basically, these all are the input devices. Now we will learn the input devices one by one. So the first input device that we learn today is a keyboard. First input device is a keyboard. Everybody knows that keyboard is used to type letters, numbers, words or paragraphs. Okay, this you all know. Here this is a keyboard. On this keyboard there are so many type of buttons. Some are small and some are big. Now what we call that buttons, the small or big buttons on the keyboard are called keys. We called that buttons as keys, and these keys are helpful for typing the letters. How keyboard is look like, we can compare it with the typewriter. Previously we are using the typewriter for typing the words, letters or paragraphs, but nowadays everything is computerized, so we are using keyboard to typing the words, letters or paragraphs. So here you can see that whatsoever we are typing here on the keyboard, that is shown as output on the monitor. Which letter we are typing here, that is shown on the monitor as a output. So we can say whatsoever we type, it shows on the screen as output, and keyboard is used to give input to the computer, so we can say it works as a input device. Now the next device that we are going to learn is the mouse. The next input device is mouse. It is also known as pointing device. To mouse, we also known mouse as a pointing device because it is used to point on the screen. It is used to select folders, files, or also help us in drawing. Mouse also helps us in drawing. Here you are watching that this is the mouse. When we are moving it like that, our pointer moves here on the screen. When our mouse moves, this pointer also moves on the screen and help us to draw the drawing. Now there is one more important thing, that in laptops, what is mouse? Basically in laptop, what is used as a mouse? In laptops, this touchpad is used as a mouse. Now this is a mouse. In this mouse there are two buttons. First is right button, second is left button, and one scroll wheel. One wheel is there inside between the two buttons. that is used for scrolling the pages. So we can say in mouse basically there are two buttons, left and right button, and one scroll wheel is also there. These all are helped to point or enter anything on the screen or to select anything on the screen. So we can also say that it is used to point, so it is a pointing device and it gives information to the computer, so it is also a input device. So it is also a input device. Thank you very much. For the next input devices, stay tuned with us. We will meet in the next class. Okay, bye bye.